Aha. Okay, ba-da-da-da-da. Ladies and gentlemen, now still what's up, Nigeria on 32 FM 94.9, your number one super duper Buster Master Fire Laughter Dial. And we see the game now, wait till the trend, wait till the sub for Nigeria. Come and see one funny video, wait on the trend, you know my channel, Eko, Eko, Wejele, Eko, Arobisa, Legbe, Eko, Togbole, Togbole, Eko, Luogbo, this is Lagos. According to Tàfá Olóyè nínú fíìmù Màmá mi lẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ó ní ọ̀dájú ní bàbá Èkó, mọ́rìndínlókọ̀ ìyá rẹ̀, ladies and gentlemen gbàgọ̀jẹ̀ mi ò gbàgọ̀jẹ̀. Àwọn òjé Marina fẹsẹ̀ kókò kí bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ṣẹ̀jẹ̀, ṣé wọ́n lè gbẹ́ràn lọ́jà kí wọ́n máa jìyà. Ladies and gentlemen, Èkó ló pin sí o. Come and see this video wey don dey trend of one lady wey dey ayájú one conductor. Obìnrin bíi bá come and see how she dey ayájú the conductor o. On top say wetin, dem say dem don enter bus o. As the bus come dey go na so police come stop the bus. As police come stop, come ní gbogbo èrò. Na to say all passengers make una drop for here. Na in the babe talk say oya na oga mi, wey my change I never reach where I dey go, give me my money. Na so the conductor say oya na àbò ti fún ẹ lówó ni yàrá ìyà. Ladies and gentlemen, as that one dey do wetin tó ń sapá mi tó ń ṣẹ̀yìn gànàkù. Na so the lady press PO ó wọ̀ ọmọ lọ́wọ́ o. Ẹ wá wo bó ṣe dúró déédéé tó dúró lé lọ́rùn. Na so the woman stand gidigba say ìwọ dem no born you well, that is to say oh tó bẹ́ẹ̀ sí. Ladies and gentlemen, the conductor sef confuse you. Bí Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa àwọn ní sí èrò gbé. Àbí wọ́n ti ṣe kí ni? Wọ́n ti gbá mi láti lọ sóyè. Wọ́n ti pa generator shrine. Come and see as the woman stand pé ìwọ irú ẹ̀ náà wá ń sọ ẹgbẹ́ àbọ̀gbà ìwọ fẹ́ gbá mi ó tó fẹ́ sí. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa Ìbàdàn ẹkú fàájì àwọn afẹ́rẹ́jẹ̀ kan bá dán o. According to xenophobia Abasi Akande, ó ní Jámánì fáwọn tó ń jámàlà. Èkó báwọn tó ń struggle. Ìbàdàn báwo ni fàájì tó fẹ́ràn Adélébọ̀. Èmi kọ́ mo wípé Òbésèré ló kọ́ o. Ṣé na true Ìbàdàn people fẹ́ràn Adélébọ̀? Ladies and gentlemen, wà láìtàláì Lagos, Èkó Wéjèlè, King Sunny Adé ní ẹni bá lè kó wà kété kó rọra ṣe àdísẹ́. Ẹni bá lè kó ìgbẹ̀yìn kó rọra ṣe. Adámórì sábẹ́ lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Tó ń kọ́ wọn tí ò gbọ́ wọn ní ẹni tó bá ṣiṣẹ́ ẹ̀tọ́ ni pé kó lówó. Tó bá lówó lọ́wọ́ ọ̀rẹ́ kó rọra ṣe. Jìbìtì ń bẹ ní Lagos, kọ́tàlé kọfẹ́ ní mẹ́jọ. Ó yá tẹ́ nígbà lẹ́nu pé kó sọ́dún rí. Lẹ́ni Makanaki. Sweet life for Lagos is sweet honey. I go to Chicago food. Okay, all right, ladies and gentlemen. Ba-da-da-da-da. Ladies and gentlemen, we still there here. Ladies and gentlemen, we still on point. Kí la tún tẹ́lẹ̀ kí mo tún ti rí come and see another matter wey dey trend for Naija. Kí làwọn ọmọ Naija sọ lórí Instagram. Okay, come see àmú, come hear àmú. Oh God, Mary. Ladies and gentlemen, a better prayer say if you want marry for this life, may God give us better husband, make He give us better wife. Better wife. Once again, I say better wife. May you come top am with better pikins them. You see what I see? Ladies and gentlemen, in case you the woman, you dey hear me, come see a woman like yourself. Oh, only so I gave my husband 500K that I saved from the money wey he don dey give me since January. He was so shocked and he asked what he should do with it. I told him that the money na him own o, he should use it for anything wey he like. So he come take am buy solar for our house. No more generator. Ladies and gentlemen, ṣé ẹ gbọ́? Wọ́n ní tá bá fọwọ́ màálù kan pa. If you take pikin compare pikin, you go flog one till he die. Come and see better wife. Oluwa. I thank God, pray for myself. I pray for you. All of us. God, our wife, may God make them better wife like this. We're going to give husband joy. You don't understand? When they give husband joy, when they give husband happiness. ìyàwó ilé ó wá fi 500,000 pamọ́ ní owó tọkọ rẹ̀ tí ń ṣe kí ó tún wá kó o padà fọ́kọ rẹ̀ la ìlà ladies and gentlemen ṣe gbọ́rọ̀ báyìí àbẹ́ ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ́ ní ṣọ́ọ̀bù inú dúkìá ìkókò ajégúnjẹrán ladies and gentlemen níta mòǹkì èmi ò dáko ẹnìkan olùkàdùnkù mọ́ra rẹ̀. If na you and dey talk about you go know yourself inú dúkìá ẹ̀rẹ̀kẹ́ ṣọ́ọ̀bù wọ́n ní kí ni ajẹgúgúrú jẹrá alájẹjọjẹ ajẹwọn mọ́nú oyún. Orí ti ń fọ àwọn kan ti ń bínú ẹ má bínú mi ò dá ọkọ yín kí ló dé tára yín gbóyin tára yín why you dey pay you like I mention your name. Ọlọ́sà people my brother dem no fit shop anything dem no fit keep anything everything na to shop. Ó jẹ máìmáì tewé ó jẹ máìmáì tewé ó jẹ máìmáì tewé Mr. Shop. So shop. How does they sing the song? Remember, if you do good today, you go see good tomorrow. Do good today, you go see good tomorrow. You shop and shop any combination. Ẹ̀bà, àmàlà, fùfú, túwó, spaghetti, èdìkà, ikong. For moi plus wrapper, no break, no jam, and it goes straight to belle. Abba! Ó jẹ moi tewé, ó jẹ moi tewé. Ladies and gentlemen, especially all you men, if you see a woman wey fit keep money, no waste time. Do wetin? Wife am. You no understand me? If you see woman wey fit keep money, wife am once and for all. Mọ pẹ̀lú mọ wàrà lórí wọn sọ wọn o. If you see woman wey fit keep money, no go kill yourself, no waste time o. Sharparly, wife am. You know wetin you go tell her when you go wife am? You know the song wey you go dey sing for her? Okay, make I do am for you like this. Na the thing we go tell her be this.
Remix. It's Wizboy and J Martin.
Sorry, activate your Bluetooth. Sorry. How many of you remember this song?
Sorry. Oh yeah, let's go.
Would you be my screensaver? I no go mind if I forget your picture. Would you be my screensaver? I'm on the channel, give me ganja. Would you be my screensaver? My screensaver, my screensaver.
Every time when you look in the mirror, what the one you kill it, you know that. All my friends they ask me, say, Kira, I see your beauty, they make me they wonder. When I take a look at your eyes, I see they shine so bright.
Okay. Da. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú wa. E get some theory wey you go see wey go dey trend, you go just dey vex, dey para say na which kind life be this? Shey people no dey value their life again, abi they just wan die? You know that kind thing. The thing go come dey pepper you for body like say na your own, but my brother, who no go pepper for body na? How human being go just for themselves by themselves put their life on danger despite everything wey we dey see every day? Dem say several people na im wunjọ o, while dem go carry fuel for Niger State, wọ́n ní wọ́n lọ bu epo ni. Plenty people na im don wunjọ o, while dem dey try to carry fuel from one pipeline wey break àọ̀pá epo tó fọ́ for Dagbo Pogo community for Niger State on Sunday. Dem say nobody kpai for the matter o, according to some reports wey alleged wey don dey circulate. Dem say farmland ni houses ni wey belong to more than 20 villages around the substation na im fire burn o. Firefighters ṣe àwọn ní panápaná dem see dem wey dem dey battle to put out the fire wey be say come up from the pipeline wey dem go vandalize wey be say na NNPC get am. Abeg na, we no dey reason for dis country, we no dey think. If the country don tire you na to come to die na im come be the matter. If person wan die say na must you die by fire? How you go hear say tanker fall, petrol spill, the thing cause fire, many people, many properties na im die for this just last month for here. How many weeks ago? you know the tanker no fall, you can't take your hand. Ẹ wá mú ọwọ́ ara yín fúnra lára yín. Wọ́n ní ojú ọtí lè sí ń kú sí. You can't carry your hand for yourself by yourself. Go burst pipeline. Come dey go carry fuel. Abeg irú ọ̀hún àfọwọ́fà wo rèé o. Tábà tó wí tán nísìnyí wọ́n lè sùn ló jẹ̀bi wọ́n lógun ayé ní ẹ̀yìn fayé lẹ́yìn gangan láyé ẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn ká ẹ̀yìn lẹ́yìn bí. Ọlọ́run ò mọ ní àwọn ọmọ aláìgbọràn pọ̀ ní Nàìjíríà wa. A ní wọn ò fetí sílẹ̀ sóhun tíjọba ń kọ́ wọn. Kí ni ìjọba ń kọ́ wọn? Tíjọba ní kó ṣòfin wọn sì máa ṣeré ká. Wọ́n á jẹun wọ́n á gbòòrò. Ọmọ Naija, hear your papa, hear your mama, hear them, life go better for you.
Papa, mama, make